셋, 별.
떠니.
Hi, my name is Darshazwani binti Aziz with my matrix number 84884, and this is my 5 years old cat named Donnie. I usually give him a freedom to play outside before he goes to bath. My father always reminds to give him the helicopter sleeve sometimes to remove the acid in his body. This is what he really looks like behind his fluffy fur. So this is the product that my cat use a lot. For hygiene product, my cat often use Fido brand for shampoo, which is antibacterial and conditioner one, so that his fur is well kept, no germs, and even smells good. At the same time, the cat's food routine also has to be taken care of regularly because it could also affect their fur. So for a month supply, we usually buy a big pack of Royal Canin, which is we buy it in 2 kg, but sometimes we buy it 4 kg at once due to his big appetite. So for evening meals, we usually buy this Sheba brand for him, which we usually buy for 1 box in a month, which contain like 24 package of tuna flavor in it. We buy it with tuna. It's actually have many kind of flavor, but we decided to buy this tuna flavor because he liked the tuna. And even that sometimes the supply is run out less than a month. Before we change the food brand to Royal Canin and Sheba, we usually gave him the Sweetheart brand for dry food and Pro Diet brand for wet food. However, his appetite is getting less and less, and then his fur often falls, and he loses so many furs, and does not bloom like it does now. So overall, I would like to recommend these 3 products to all the cat lover outside, as they are guaranteed to be great to your cats. That's all from me. Bye bye.